Friends, good evening. Welcome to my trading view for 3rd June 2021. Like I had mentioned yesterday, that on a break of 15,525 on the downside, one needs to sell into it with a stop loss above day's high, or else to buy on a dip towards 15,450 levels. Today, Nifty made a low of 15,459 and thereafter it rallied to close the day flat up by 1 point. Those people who had followed my advice would have made money on both the sides. Going forward, the daily trend of the Nifty remains up. For positional long, you can still maintain a stop loss at 15,370 as this line is indicating, and stay long. Tomorrow being weekly expiry, if Nifty trades above 15,600 till about 12:30, then we can see more upside. The upward target for this rally is roughly about 15,750 to 800 levels. It may not come tomorrow. Maybe in the coming days we can see Nifty moving towards 15,800 levels. Moving on to hourly charts, Nifty has made a higher low today at about 15,470 levels. Going forward, this can be kept as a stop loss for all long positions. Once 15,600 620 levels is taken out, we can see Nifty making new lifetime highs. Now, moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also opened lower, but I had told yesterday that you may not see much profit if you go short on a break of previous day's low. But the thing was to buy on a dip. People who would have bought on a dip would have been rewarded handsomely today. Going forward, we can see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is still trading in this congestion zone. The expectation is that tomorrow it may move out of this range. All positional longs in Bank Nifty can move their stop losses to 34,500 levels. Moving on to hourly chart, we can see that Bank Nifty has spent considerable amount of time consolidating after it opened gap down. Going forward, today's low will act as a good support to Bank Nifty. On the upside, once previous day's highs of 35,700 levels are taken out, we can see Bank Nifty moving towards 36,000, and for this rally or up move, we can expect a target of 36,450 to 36,600 levels. Moving on to derivative reports now. Nifty ended the day higher by a solitary point to close at 15,576. Profit booking was seen in Nifty futures, which rose by 0.01%, and the open interest went down by 6%. OIPCR was at 1.09. Amongst Nifty options 3rd June expiry, put rating was seen at 15,500. Call unwinding was seen at 15,500, and 15,700 is where we see maximum buildup of calls. Bank Nifty closed at 35,374, higher by 37 points. Profit booking was seen in Bank Nifty as well as open interest was down 1.8% with Bank Nifty closing higher by 0.1%. Nifty PCR is at 0.75. Profit booking was seen by FIIs in the index futures segment. They reduced their positions in indices worth rupees 1,107 crores. Their open interest went down by 9,668 contracts. The breadth of the market was mildly positive. India VIX was at 17.21, down by 1%. Taking a look at FII activity report for today, their net open interest contract at the end of the day was 1,12,549 contracts. Finally, to end the day, a look at the Nifty open interest data for tomorrow's expiry. We can see that 15,500 offers significant support at the lower levels, whereas 15,700 is where maximum calls have been written. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.